One of the questions I get asked quite often is, how do I create my first route in Calimoto? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how I do it. So the first thing that we have to do is tell Calimoto where we want to start. So let's just choose a start and end point. Let's try Hereford. Of course, it's generic. You can be a little bit more specific if you put a postcode, full address, whatever you want in. Let's go Hereford to Hartford. Here we go, Hereford to Hartford. And it will happily go off and make you a nice, twisty, squiggly route. Let's say now I wanted to make a change to the route. Let's say, hold on a minute, I actually would like to go through Aylesbury. I'm going to right-click my mouse and I'm going to select Set as Via Point. And it will go and reroute me via Aylesbury. Well, let's say I don't want to go on this road down here. Let's say I want to go on the A41. All I have to do is right click the mouse, set as via point again. There we go. And it will go and via me off that way. All the time it's trying to make it a squiggly route. I can make these routes less squiggly if I wanted to. So for example, between route shape point 1 and route shape point 2, which is this one here, I can change this. And I can make this, rather than it being so squiggly, and I can have it even more squiggly if I wanted to, I could use this option, which is, if you look, faster route, no highways. Click on faster route, no highways. And there you go. It just took me down this road, the A41, where I wanted to go. Now I have my route, which I can change around if I want to. And by the way, let's say now I change my mind. I don't want to go from from Hereford. I want to start my journey in Stratford-upon-Avon. Stratford-upon-Avon, and it's gone and made my route for me. And at this point, you can click on Save if you want to. You can give it a name. I'm not going to give it a name or anything at the moment because I don't want to save it, but you can give it a name. You could say Hartford to Stratford-upon-Avon, or Northampton to Cardiff, whatever your trip happens to be, even if it happens to be from Santander to Alicante. It doesn't matter, wherever you want to go. It covers all of the world. I'm going to say cancel to get out of this. That's it. That's all there is to creating a route in Calimoto. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to download a GPX file to use on your satnav devices, and I'll be showing you how to use Calimoto on your mobile device.